Hello guys, welcome back. So we are going to continue to talk about the list. Okay, so as I mentioned in the last video, so we are going to create a simple program where we can play with the list. Okay, so the topic, the concept which you are going to take, right? So I have a list of existing users, and if someone is trying to log in, so we are validating whether the user is existing. If it is existing, we are welcoming them, or else we are asking them, do you want to enter into the system, and we can add the user into our existing list. Okay, so that is what we are going to do in this particular program. Let me create a new file, and I'm gonna name is I'm gonna save it as user registration. I'm gonna save it in the Python folder, user registration. Okay, cool. Okay, so let's create a list. Um, Existing users, and it holds we can have some names: John, Phil, and Carlson, and Matthew, and Ben. Okay, so this is my the existing users. Okay, so before we are proceeding into that, let's print the existing user. Okay, let's run this and see, make sure it's working. Okay, it's working. John, Phil, and Carlson, and Matthew, Ben. So these are the existing users. Okay, so I'm going to write a while condition here to the program is keep running. It keep asking questions to the user. Anyway, we are going to look at how the looping are working in the upcoming videos. Okay, so let's while true, then it our system will ask hello, my name is my name is Jarvis. Okay, and then it will ask the user to enter the input to asking what is your name. Okay, so I have create name and input, and it will ask what is your name. What is your name? What is your name? Okay, user has to enter the data, and it will store in the variable called name. Okay, so there is a possibility people can enter the spaces, some are empty spaces after the name or before the name. So better we need to keep stripe. Stripe is a method is removing the spaces between the before and after the word actually. Okay, okay, that's cool. So now I'm gonna check whether the particular name which is entered by the user is existing in the users. Okay, if it is existing, I'm gonna send an error message. If it is not existing, I'm going to send a different kind of error message. Okay, so I'm going to use the function called in here. Okay, so anyway, we are going to talk about how is exactly in is doing and all. Okay, so for now, I'm going to create a if condition. If, for example, if name in existing users, we have to send out a message. I mean, we had a pop-up message called welcome. And it's not good to simply printing welcome, so we can provide welcome and the name which is entered. Okay, so we can use a formatter here. welcome Mr. and the name and dot format of the input name. Okay, so else. So I'm gonna print another message. User not recognized. Okay, it's a simple map. Okay, I have existing users and it has some users in it, and I'm asking user to enter some value, and I'm checking the values existing in the users. If it's existing, I'm just welcoming the user, or else I'm sending error message to the user. Okay, so let's run this and see what happened. So hello, my name is Jarvis. What is your name? My name is Phil. See, Phil is exiting. See, I got a message called welcome Mr. Phil. Okay, what happened if I type like this? Phil, user not recognized. The thing is that the Python, the data which is there inside the list, it's not only the exact the name, it is a case sensitive as well. So you need to provide the, because the fill is different and the capitalized fill is different. So it won't recognize it. Okay. So because it's interested in the username, it can be anything. So user can enter in the small letters and user can enter in the capital also. So what you can do is, so whenever they enter the name, just capitalize the data. Capitalize. Use the capitalize method. So whatever data they're entering, that is capitalized. Okay. And let's run this. I'm going to use a fill now. See, user got recognized. The reason the data which is entered is a small letters and it is capitalized as a fill. Once the capitalized, we all know what is capitalized. So the first letter becomes the capital letter. Okay. Okay, let's go back to the program and see what it can be improved in this program. Okay, let's make this program is even better. Okay. So if the name is existing, I'm going to ask the user, do you want to remove you from the system? If the user selected yes, then we need to remove the user from the existing list. Okay, let's do that. So I can have another variable called remove, and here I'm going to get the input from the user. So would you like to remove from the system and the options yes or no. Okay. Okay. So I have a variable called remove which holds whether do you want to remove the user or not. Okay. I'm going to do another if condition here. If remove equals y. So I'm going to remove the the particular user from the existing user. So the way we need to do that, but what we can do is let's copy cut this. Before we remove the data from the list, let's print the data. Okay. So the way how we need to remove the data, the keyword is the user list name dot remove, and what is the name. So this will remove the user from the system. Okay. Um, okay, what else we can do here? Okay, let's run this and we'll see how it is going to work. Okay. Fi. What is your name? My name is Phil. Phil is existing. Do you want to remove from system? Yes, we do. See, this is the data which I have it in my list, but Phil has been removed. Now let's see. Let's ask the Phil again. user not recognized. The reason is the fill is has been removed from the list. Okay, so I think okay. In the next video, what we are going to do is we are trying to improve the program is even better. Okay, I don't want to keep this video for more than 10 minutes. Okay, just try that and let me know if you guys have any clarification. I'll meet you in the next video, which uh, even more options in the same program. Okay, thank you.